Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a 3D base Apple logo design. This is very simple but very gorgeous and super easiest to enter in the world. The number talk is start. Let's begin today. So what we're going to do, I just select all the things and a little bit smaller. Keep to the corner side to the clear this object. So go to the dashboard. As you can see, so many tools over here, but I need which one. Just go and press over here. I need just ellipse tool. This ellipse tool is very nice and very beautiful tool. Many things we can do by this. So I need it just like that. There, it's okay. So I need to go to the center, put to the center. Yes. See? So I need to just change the color back to the apple. That. So I need to just change this color. Yes. Okay. So what the next job? Next job, go to the just effect and go over to 3D and revolve. Press over here. And it just go to the preview. You see? Automatic done. This is the magic of this 3D. So it is not the updated, but it's the uh, middle updated. So I needed to update all the things. Okay, so what we're next to do is just go over there. I think rectangle tool and just put it over here. Okay. So what we're going to do, I just shape like that. Go over here and anchor point tool. Just like that a little bit. And again, right left side. Okay. Okay. It's okay. A little bit like that. And center there. See? It's happen. How happen is that there will be yes, it's okay. So done. And it's a super easiest. This I needed to just create the relief. So how go to the pen tool just by pressing like that, keep little bit pressing over the tools that we got so many tools over here that are like that pen tool add anchor point tool add anchor tool. What we needed it. Just I needed just pen tool there. E I think there could be okay. That side and go again. Check. It's okay. Okay, so okay, so just there. It's okay. So now just to change this color, the green color. Which one better? Okay, better. Yeah, I think it's okay. So much better. Better. So much. It's okay. I think it's okay. So these are all. But I need to go to the here. Just bring to the front side like that. Okay, it's okay. It's looking nice. And I need to just no difference between this one and that one. I think delete one. You see, this is exactly what I wanted. So thanks for watching.